Hey, I know this ain't a car video, but this is how come there's a pool table in my shop. That man right there you seen, that's my uncle. We're the two oldest ones in the line of our family. And this was our family gathering at Christmas time. They all come over and we played a game. I got my revenge on him after 40 plus years when I was just a kid, and he come by and schooled me one day. And just a great time with my family. I appreciate y'all watching my channel.
Fine, fixing to do it. Oh, Pops. Pop's gonna put it on though, Scotty. Scott, what's your middle name? What's your middle name?
Scotty is my middle name. It's Gregory Scott.
Gregory Scott. Okay.
Now, all right. I'm sure he don't remember this, but when I was just a kid, I got a pool table like this for my birthday between my 7th and 8th grade year. And when we got it up, Papa would come up and play with me all the time. He would only play what they called straight pool or what they called stud pool and 9-ball stuff. So Wayne comes up one time. He was up there, and he come in. I forget where he's at. He's in a hurry. He said, "I'll play one game with you." And I racked the balls like I'm fixing to do here. He broke them and ran the table on me and said, "I got to go. I never even got to shoot." And I'm sure he don't even remember that. So
Here we go. It's a rematch. I want you.
then,
But he's been practicing.
Oh yeah, he's got a table here.
Then years later, when he had the car lot and stuff, I was going down and I reeled this old guy in by the name of Bucket. And I come by the car lot and Wayne said, "Percy, get out here." He said, "I can't believe you letting old Bucket beat you." And I said, "Oh, he ain't." And my daddy and all of them invited me to go down and play one Saturday with them down at the coal yard down there on my old table and everything. And I cleaned their clock.
Is that what it is? He done. See, look.
He done switched spectacles on you now. You're a hit.
Mom, Dad. Whoa.
Easy.
Easy.
He's down. Get up.
All right, Daddy. Here's time to redeem yourself. Oh, look here. He's going to do a redo from what, 19 what?
That would have probably been around
Don't you scratch.
1979 or 80. I messed up right there. He's going to have a chance. He's going to have a chance right here.
Daddy, you better get back with him now. Here we go. Oh.
Here it comes.
All right. It ain't doing, Dad.
Yeah. That's a combination.
Show him that one.
Yeah.
Don't you get too tired for me and you to play.
I know, that's what I was saying.
Just saying. Right
Just saying.
Hit it right there and that 6 ago.
That purple card.
Yeah, that's what I was going to try and do.
Alright.
What happened to it?
That right there.
Just a
Shoot
different
that
time.
ball in that 3 right there.
Walk the dog.
Do it.
Shoot straight on.
It ran 640s, 120 something.
He ain't cutting it.
No.
Ain't
Ain't cutting it enough. He said, go back that way a little bit. There you go.
Yeah, put it on. We'll beat these women. Go
So you get on the internet all the time?
I watch him on Discovery.
Hey, wait a minute before you shoot. You know what's more dangerous in a pool hall than a man that can really shoot pool?
What?
A pretty girl that can kinda.
Shoot hard and draw, you know.
In the side.
Put her in there.
Oh, really?
All right, Daddy, here you go.
No. Sure, that one.
Oh, too hard.
He can make that.
I don't think so.
Down there in the corner lane.
Yeah.
Nope.
And about 40-something years later, I get my redemption. I beat my uncle.